On my last video, I showed you how to use Audacity to upload a book to ACX and Audible. So I had a question come in that asks, well, what if you get an error code when you're submitting it and the error has to do with your bit rate and your variable bit rate or VBR. So in this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to fix that problem. So I had recorded my book, Wildflower, A Tale of Transcendence. It got accepted on Audible and I went to listen to it myself and I found out that I did not leave enough pause breaks in between sentences and paragraphs. So I went back in and added the pauses and ran into a problem with my own bit rate. So I'll show you what I did to fix this. So I'm going on the ACX website and this is just a mock copy of my book. I'm hitting Upload Manager to get to my chapters. And now I'll click on Chapter 2, hit the Browse button. The pop-down screen will come down. My chapter is saved in Documents. So I'm going to find Chapter 2. And click on that and choose for upload. So now waiting for it to upload. Analyzing audio. And here you see a red error. Items found with uploaded audio. Please refer to this audio analytics. So you can click on that to see what the problem is. It'll pop up and you can download a full report. So I already did that. I'm going to see what happened to this particular chapter. Find it in my downloads, opening up. And here you see my book and all the chapters went through, no issues at all. You can see my bit rate is at a steady 192 all the way across, but here where it's highlighted in red, it's at 105. Also, my VBR, which is variable bit rate, going down, it says no for all of them, but for this particular chapter, it says yes. So now we have to figure out how to fix that. So I go back to Audacity and go to Chapter 2, and it was ready to go to be sent to ACX. So I'm going to go to File, Export, Export as MP3, and this is where I ran into the problem. Originally the preset button was clicked and joint stereo. And what I'm going to do is switch it from preset to constant, and here you can see that it went up to 192. And I'm going to go from joint stereo to force export to mono and save that. I've already done it, so I don't have to save it again. But now I'm going to go back to my book and I'm going to hit Upload Manager again. Go back down to Chapter 2, which had the issues found. And I'm going to move over to the right where it says Action, hit the Action tab, go down to Replace. I'm going to replace it, hit Browse button again, find Chapter 2, and this new MP3. Click on that, choose for upload, and it starts to upload. We'll see what happens. Analyzing the audio, and booyah, no issues found. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my audiobook for Wildflower, A Tale of Transcendence. Please list your audiobook in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys are recording. Ciao for now.